Alright, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to change the spring on the Asg M40a3 sniper rifle. Alright, so let's get started. So first you're going to need 3 tools. You're going to need a screwdriver, which I'm pretty sure one comes with this. If not, just get a tiny screwdriver. And then you're going to need the 2 tools that it came with. This is not the one that it came with. There's a bigger one that it normally comes with, but this is the one I have because I apparently lost the other one. Alright, the first step is we're going to want to turn it over and remove the magazine. Remove the magazine from the sniper rifle. Okay, then I'm just going to start at this corner where the screw is. There's only 3 screws you have to undo. And I'm just going to start on this one and start unscrewing it. Alright, once you've gotten yours unscrewed, the screw should actually not come out. It's just going to be loose in there because it stays in there. Okay, then I'm going to get the second screw undone over here. Okay, then you're going to want to change tools to the bigger one that it came with, and you're going to want to, there's a screw right behind the trigger. You're going to want to undo this. Alright, now once you've gotten all the screws undone, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip it back over, and you're going to want to push the cocking mechanism thing. Then you're going to want to remove the top half of the gun and place this somewhere else. Alright, so now that we're just down to this top part, let's take off this barrel so we can get into the chamber where the spring is. Alright, so first there's going to be these screws right here. This thing, we're going to want to take this off. That's what's holding this barrel on. So just unscrew these screws right here. And these screws should actually come out. So, alright, and you're just going to want to set these screws to the side. Alright, so now that you've removed all of these screws, what you're going to want to do is carefully remove this and slowly remove it, because there is a bolt right underneath this that is loose that could fall and you could lose it. So there, see, it just fell out right there. Alright, so then you're going to want to move all of this stuff to the side, and you can remove the barrel and set that to the side. Alright, so now we're down to just this area, and what we're going to need is alright, so I also forgot to mention you're going to need some like pliers or something like that to use to take this part off. Alright, so let's take this off. So yeah, there we go. Just unscrew it like this. Alright, so now once you've taken this off, you're just going to set this over here to the side and then pull the piston out. And here's your screws. And here is your spring. Alright, so now you can replace it with the spring that you've bought. This is the spring that came with it. This is a 500 FPS spring that I bought. So all you have to do to put the spring is there is a alignment thing in there, and you're going to want to try to get this on it. So I'm going to make sure I got it in the light. Just check in the light, you can probably see it. Alright, yeah, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the piston over top of this, and then you're going to have to push this on the piston and push it through, and then you're going to want to just screw it a little bit there. And once you get it screwed to where it won't come undone, you can actually screw it down. And you're going to want to just keep screwing it until that black line disappears. Okay, that's about good. Okay, so now that you've done this, we can put the spring to the side. Alright, so let's just flip it over and let's reattach the barrel. So I'll just move this like this and line up those screw holes. And then we're just going to set this on, but before we do that, we're going to make sure we're going to put this thing in here like this. You're going to place this thing in this area. Alright, and then once you're done with that, you're just going to want to hold it in so it doesn't fall out and set it on this area like that. So and it should push in. So now we're going to screw this thing down. Alright, so now what you're going to need is you're just going to want to screw this on right here. You're just going to screw this down and then screw the other one. And then screw the other one down. Alright, so now that you've done that, you're going to want to get the main body of the gun. You're going to want to get the main body of the gun and set it down, and then put this on. Make sure that this goes through here to where it like sits in there, and then you're going to turn it upside down, and we're just going to screw the thing back in again. So let's just start screwing. Alright, make sure that you screw them tight enough. So let's just go. And alright, so then you're just going to want to finish screwing them. Alright, and once you're done, you can put the magazine back in, and there you go. You've just changed the spring on your ASG M40a3 sniper rifle. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Then I'll see you next time.